Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
For this operation, get hold of the diesel fuel filter that you will find in the video description. Turn off the ignition, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. Take off the engine cover. You will then be able to see the diesel filter. Remember to put a sufficient quantity of paper towels under the filter to collect the fuel that will seep out as you disassemble the filter. Using a flathead screwdriver, push on the blue clip and at the same time, remove the hose. Using 2 screwdrivers, push on the red part of the clip and simultaneously lever it off with the screwdrivers. Repeat the operation for the green hose. Repeat the operation for the white hose. Position your fingers under the upper washers of the filter and your palms on the metallic framework. Exert pressure upwards with your fingers to remove the filter. Place a container to collect the liquid underneath. You can learn how to make one by watching another of our videos, How to Make a Collector for Liquids.
Please support us. Subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
Take the new filter and remove the stopping plugs. Screw in the drain screw located under the filter. Put the new filter in position. Start by aligning the lower spur on the filter, then the upper spur. Once in front, apply a downward pressure on the whole thing. This will let you put it back in place. Put each of the hoses back, remembering to respect the color code. Pump the primer pump until it becomes hard. Operation completed.
Hello, if this video helped you, like and subscribe.